Hello student, good morning. Today we will learn the chapter operating system. Out of the chapter you will learn about the function of the operating system. Before that, we have discussed what is the concept of operating system, the different aspect related to the operating system. Today we will learn about the functions. What functions the operating system can do. Before that, about that type of function, I have given an example also to you student in my first video. You can see, but today I will give the detailed example explanation. For that, keep it in your mind that you have to understand very clearly and you have to write in your notebook also. So see in your book, operating system manage the system resource, and operating system decides which computer resource will be utilized for solving which problem and in what order. Operating system what can do? Operating system is just like the administrator. It manages everything inside the computer. It can get the information related to the which part is doing which operation, and it can decide the computer resources will be utilized for solving the different problems. Computer resources, I have told about that topic. Resources like that, the mouse, scanner, printer, and different devices attached with the computer. We can say it as resources of the computer. In general, an operating system has the following main functions. You can see in your textbook or over that screen also the example of that. The first function, allocation. The operating system allocate input or output devices and central processing unit to the specific applications according to their requirement. It also controls the flow of data between these devices. This link is maintained through the driver program. Each input output devices has its own driver. Student, I will give you the basic meaning from that. Allocation. Allocate means to give to that proper device. What give and give by the operating system. Operating system available the platform to do some work with the computer. With the help of operating system, user can easily interact with the computer, but during the interactions he use the different devices like the mouse, keyboard, printer, scanner, and many other devices uses with the computer. Operating system allocate the input output device. Output devices, you already know that input device like keyboard, mouse, output device like printer, monitor. It manage or it allocate and central processing unit to specific applications according to their requirement. What the part of allocation? Allocation availables the devices, allocate the platform to the devices useful with the computer. It also controls the flow of data between these devices. Flow of data means if you are typing something with the help of your keyboard, can directly goes inside the CPU, process the data, and you can get the output over the monitor. This link or the flow of that type of data from keyboard to the CPU and CPU to the monitor or printer, the flow of data like the flow of the river from one place to the another place. You can't see the data, but the system can understand which type of data is incoming, which type of data it want to put as the result. which can be shown over the output screen or the output device as a printer. But it requires the device driver. Driver should be installed inside your computer. While installing the operating system, it automatically installs the driver of some specifically basic devices like keyboard and mouse. You don't have need to install the external driver for the keyboard and mouse. It can be easily used inside the system. Already the driver has installed inside the system. But if you want to use the printer or the scanner or some other devices, then there is need to install the driver of the different devices. For scanner, you should have to install the CD of installation for using the scanner. For using the printer also, you should have to install that type of driver inside the system, because system don't know which company of the printer is, what are the functioning of the printer is. Just you have to install the driver for the required device into the system with the help of driver CD, or you can get the driver download from the internet also and install it into your computer. For using the different applications also, you install the software, like you can install the game for playing inside your mobile. Like that, the system also want to install the driver for using that type of devices. Okay, you understood very clearly. I think very clearly you have understood. Now you can see over your screen, or you can open the next page of your book. Here the next function displays program execution. The operating system loads the application program in the memory and execute them. First function, what the operating system do? Load the program inside its memory. If you want to make something in your home, then firstly you have to take in the tray. For example, if you want to make the picture, then you take the notebook over the writing pad, and you take the different pencil, eraser for drawing the picture. For that program execution, operating system also loads the application program in the memory and execute them. First of all, to load into the memory. After that it execute. Without loading the software or the application program inside the memory, it can't be executed. The next function, error handling. From the word error, handle, you can easily understand. The operating system generates error message whenever an error occurs while the execution of an application program. Operating system can easily handle the different errors automatically also. If you see the error is displaying over the system, then add for handling, the operating system can be easily handle that type of error, and error can occur while the execution of any application program. In any application program you can face the error, but operating system is liable to clearly handle that type of errors and can be easily remove the errors. Whenever you get that problems, error can be easily removed by the system. If not removed by the system, you should have to do some changes over there. Data management. Data management, the word also explains you data and manage. It is the function of operating system to manage the data storage in the computer memory and storage devices. Whenever the different data inputs inside the system, then operating system is liable to set the data in the different manner. As you manage your notebook and books to keep it in your cupboard, that type of system operating system can do inside the computer system. Data management, data can be easily managed by the operating system inside the computer system. You already know that operating system is the software and which will help you to store your data at the proper place, and your data is very secured with the help of data system for data management system with the help of operating system. The another type is file management. The management of the different files available inside the computer for moving it, removing it and manage it. We can see in our next video. We will meet with that type of functions. Okay, thank you student.